Hi everyone, I thought we'd introduce our budgies. This is Pluto. She is 12 months old, or just a little bit over 12 months old, and we've had her since she was about 8 weeks old. She's very friendly towards us, not as tame as we would like, but she does enjoy flying around and landing on us when she wants to. She loves to kiss and give everyone a mwah. I'll see if I can show her giving a kiss. Pluto. Mwah. 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 Good girl. And over here's our baby. We've had him for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and his name is Benji. He was actually a really tiny baby. He still had a really black beak. That's the melanin that's on baby budgie beaks. It's gone a lot more yellowy, sort of orange now, you can see. And he's quite tame, but unfortunately the person that we bought him from has clipped his wing quite short in order to help him be tame. And unfortunately they cut one of the flight feathers, which means he kind of drops to the ground instead of flying to the ground. So we're just hoping it'll grow back soon so he can comfortably fly. But he's very loved and very cute.